Hi, welcome back to the Oxford Vapours YouTube channel. I'm Amber and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Zelos 3 kit. So looking at what you get in the box of the Zelos 3 kit, you get the mod and the new Nautilus 3 tank. Let's put that to the side. Under the tray, you have your instruction manual, all your warnings and information that you need to know in there. You get the USB Type-C charging cable, a spare drip tip and bag of O-rings, a 0.7 mesh coil and a 1.8 BVC coil. So we'll take one of these out because I need to install that in. So looking at the device itself, you have a 3200 mAh capacity battery, Type-C charging. It's an 80 watt device as well. You've got your on off switch at the bottom, so once you turn it on at the bottom, your screen will light up and show you your normal display with your wattage, volts, resistance, all that kind of stuff on there. And then looking at the tank itself, you've got a slide top fill, which is very stiff, which is good though, because it means it's not going to open in your pocket. It's a 2 ml capacity tank, like most tanks in the UK now. Once you've got the base unscrewed, you take your coil and you just pop it in there like that. You don't have to screw it in with this tank. It has a special spring type section going on inside. So once you place the coil in and screw the base on, it opens up the little channels in here so that you can actually use the coil and it will wick up. You've got adjustable airflow at the bottom here, so that just smoothly goes around there, adjusting which airflow you have. And yeah, that's the Nautilus 3. Pop it on top. Obviously prime up your coil and fill it up with e-lip and you'll be good to go, but that's all you need to know. That's everything you get in the box. That's the Zelos 3 kit. I hope you found that unboxing interesting and useful of the Zelos 3 kit. If you did like it, please like and subscribe or put any comments in the section below, and we'll see you very soon.